How to reset Control Center on your iPhone iOS 18.3. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset the Control Center on your latest iPhone. Whether you're using iOS 18.2 beta or an older version, I'll guide you through both methods. So let's get started. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Control Center. Here you'll find the option to reset Control Center. Before resetting, let's take a quick look at my current Control Center layout. Now to reset, tap on Reset Control Center and confirm. Once done, go back and your Control Center will be restored to its default settings. This method works if you're using the latest iOS version, such as iOS 18.3. Once the reset is complete, your Control Center will return to its default state. That's all for this video. I hope you found this guide helpful in resetting your Control Center. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips, tricks, and tutorials on the latest iOS updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.